Welcome to Python programming. In this session, I'm going to discuss the integer and the floating point data type which is used in Python programming. So I am following the syllabus as you can observe. So we have already covered the entering expression into interactive shell in the last session. The video link is available in the description box as well as in the I button. Kindly go through first. Today we are going to cover integer and a floating point. These are the two type of data type which is supported by the Python. So let's see how it works in Python. So you know that integers are the fundamental data type which is used to present the whole number. That means both positive, negative, and zero, but fractional and decimal parts are excluded. And Python provides a versatile and convenient way to work with the integers. That is one advantage. Also making it suitable for wide range of mathematical and computational calculations or computational tasks. So these are the significance of integers like positive numbers, 0 and negative numbers. So decimal numbers are excluded in the integer. So we can create the integer in this fashion. I will do the program, no worries. So here x is equal to 10. That means x is an integer, y is equal to minus 5, y is an integer. So you can integrate integer Python using whole numbers. Python automatically recognize the integers when you enter the whole number without decimal point, unlike C. In C, we need to mention like int, integer x, int x, comma y, like that we have to mention. But Python, that is not required. That is one of the advantage. So that you can reduce the space, correct, no? Yeah, if it is a complex program, it matters. So you can perform a calculator operation by using the simple program. You are dealing with the integers. A and B are the two integers. You can perform the same operation. See, you can type addition is another variable, A plus B, subtraction, multiplication. Multiplication, you are using the operator star, division, forward slash. So if you display like addition, display subtraction, display multiplication, display division, if you write like this, the answer will be displayed at the output. I'll be showing you how to make out. This is regarding the integers. So let me open the particular software. Okay, Jupyter Notebook I'm going to open. I have already opened the Jupyter Notebook. Now what I'm going to do is I just wanted to type the program like integer operation. So you can just type the program. Now you can observe I have typed the program just like operation of two integers. A and B are the integers. A is equal to 1800 and B is equal to 300. So now we can perform different operations. As you can observe, addition result will be stored here. A plus B, A minus B will be stored here. A star B will be stored here. Then division A by B. For this, that operator is forward slash. Floor division means you have to write a double forward slash. Okay. In the modulus result means you have to put a mod B, like a percentage symbol. Okay. Then exponentiation means A raised to B, A to the power B. So like that you can write. Okay. Now if you want, you can run this program. Now we'll see. Yes, I have run the program. So as you can observe, so addition, what you are getting addition, 2100. Subtraction, multiplication also you are getting 54,000. Division you are getting 6.0. Then floor division 6. Then modulus result, that is 0. So like that you are able to get, definitely you are able to get the different results corresponding to this particular problem. Okay. Like integer, we have to focus on floating point. Like for the precision work, we require floating point. For example, 3.2.0. This is actually decimal fraction value. So these kind of values will be operated by using the data type called floating point type data type in Python. So Python is supporting the floating point type of floating point data type. So floating point numbers used to represent the real numbers, including both the rational and irrational numbers with a decimal point or in the scientific notation. This is actually called a floating point. So definitely we can have a we can have a facility that my Python will be supporting that floating point. So we can, for example, I have typed one program here. So x is equal to 3.14. It's a float. Then y is equal to minus 0.5. This is also one of the floating number. So we just, if you want to display, you can use the command display of x, display of y. You will be getting the output like a 3.14 and minus 0.1, 0.5. It is possible to create the floating point numbers in Python by specifying the number with a decimal point. Okay, you have to specify the number with a decimal point, then float will be created. This is the way how to create the float in Python. Okay, so now you can calculate the operation. You can also perform the operations. Like, for example, so let's see. A is equal to 2.3, B is equal to 8.7. Both are floating numbers. C is equal to A plus B, sum of two floating numbers. If you want, you can print the output. Print, you put one single inverted comma, then add result is, and it will be stored in C. So C will be displayed. Okay, so add result is. If you run the program, you will be getting the output is equal to 11. Okay, let's work out one simple problem. Please move on to the Jupyter notebook and type the program. So here you can change the like plot you can create 10.4. This is 3.8. All right. Now you can perform different operation. Now let's run the program. Yes, you can see Python is supporting all the type of floating point numbers. Addition, that is equal to 10.4 plus 3.8, where these two are the floating numbers. Then subtraction result also available. So like that, you will be able to get different operations. Like the decimal values also will be supporting in Python. It is required for the precision work. Okay. As I said just now, Python floating point arithmetic is generally suitable for most scientific and engineering applications. So it is highly unavoidable and aware the potential of precision value when dealing with very large or small numbers and when performing comparison. These are the things which is required for comparison, like 3.111, 3.009, which is higher. Such kind of things, it is the floating points are required. Okay, so for the comparison, precision work, these are the various applications of floating point. Let me know if you have any doubts regarding integers and floating point in Python. You can put up in the comment box. You try to work out some program and try to verify it, validate whenever we are explaining. Try to verify how the integers are operating, how the floating points are operating. Thanks for watching this video. If you pleased with this video, kindly share with your friends and don't forget to subscribe. Thank you for watching this video.